Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best 360 degrees electric toothbrushes on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the V-White Ultrasonic U-shaped toothbrush for teeth whitening. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The V-White Ultrasonic U-shaped toothbrush offers a 360-degree cleaning experience with its unique U-shaped design, tailored to fit the mouth and clean all tooth surfaces simultaneously. Made from food-grade silicone, the brush head is safe and gentle on gums. The toothbrush features 3 brushing modes: strong, medium, and whitening, catering to different oral care needs. With a quick 30-minute wireless charge, it provides up to 10 days of use. Its IPX7 waterproof rating ensures safe use in the shower or bath. The package includes the toothbrush handle, a silicone brush head, a wireless charging dock, and an instruction manual. Number 2 is the Sunny White Ultrasonic Toothbrush. The Sunny White Ultrasonic Toothbrush is designed to enhance oral hygiene through its innovative features. Its U-shaped mouthpiece, made from food-grade silicone, allows for 360-degree cleaning by simultaneously contacting all teeth surfaces. The toothbrush offers multiple brushing modes: strong, medium, and whitening, to accommodate various dental needs. Utilizing ultrasonic technology, it delivers high-frequency vibrations to effectively remove plaque and promote gum health. An integrated LED blue light aims to assist in teeth whitening during brushing sessions. The device is IPX7 waterproof, making it safe for use in the shower, and includes a rechargeable battery with a wireless charging base, providing convenience for daily use. And the first position goes to the Autobrush Sonic Pro U-shaped adult's electric toothbrush with unique 360 degrees. The Autobrush Sonic Pro U-shaped adult's electric toothbrush is designed to provide a comprehensive cleaning experience. Its unique U-shaped mouthpiece, equipped with 58,000 soft nylon bristles, allows for simultaneous cleaning of all teeth surfaces, including hard-to-reach back molars. Clinically proven to remove plaque up to 5.1 times more effectively than a traditional manual toothbrush, it offers 3 cleaning modes: deep clean, massage, and care, to cater to various oral care needs. The toothbrush features 3 timer settings: 30, 60, and 90 seconds, and incorporates LED light therapy. Blue light aids in teeth whitening, while red light supports gum health. Accepted by the American Dental Association, ADA, the Autobrush Sonic Pro is rechargeable and waterproof, ensuring convenience and durability for daily use. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 360 degrees electric toothbrushes that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.